Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into Daraz with Facebook account. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. Moving on to today's video. In today's video, you will learn how to log into Daraz with Facebook account. So Daraz.com is one of the best online shopping websites in Nepal where you can shop for everything and anything from your phone at home. To log into Daraz with your Facebook account, you can learn to do that by watching this video till the end. You can download the Daraz application freely and install from Play Store. Also be logged into your Facebook account while doing the login process. Now tap open the application and then at the bottom go to the account icon and tap on login sign up button. Here you have the different ways to connect to the Daraz account, so go for the Facebook icon and agree to the terms of policies and privacy policies of Daraz. And now Daraz will ask you to give access to your Facebook account for your email address, name and other information. If this is your Facebook account, you go for continue button and therefore the login process will load and now you can start shopping in Daraz by being logged into your account here and get the best experience of the online shopping here. I hope this video has helped you in logging into Daraz with your Facebook account. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions for us, you can mention them in the comment section.